I can't believe I've lived my whole life without knowing this. The housekeeper revealed the secret to me. We place 2 glitter sponges in a large bowl and add a tablespoon of baking soda, also 100 milliliters of water, and 2 tablespoons of detergent. This is a housekeeper secret. After that, we just added 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Look at how these 2 pots are caked with grime. It wouldn't come out with any other method we've tried, not with steel wool, nor with any kind of soap. I asked a retired housekeeper for help, and she revealed to me this secret that I will show you now. Observe the magic. Observe the magic with these pots. We take one of the sponges and place it on a dish sponge, soaked with the mixture that the housekeeper revealed to me, and watch how it foams. Vinegar acts as a fortifier, turning this into a powerful soap. Now, I will scrub. I just need to do it gently and the dirt comes out. The metal will immediately start to foam up. The dirt dissolves and comes out as if by magic with this mixture. The metal is immediately starting to shine, thanks to this secret shared by a housekeeper. I just need to scrub gently and the dirt comes out. Now I'm going to rinse it with water so you can see the shine the metal has acquired. Look how shiny the pot has become after using this secret. Observe how the mixture penetrates the outer layer of the metal, making the encrusted dirt come out. Now I'm going to scrub without straining my arm. If you clean this pot the traditional way, you would end up with a sore arm and it wouldn't be as shiny. But as you can see, it's already shiny with just one swipe. Now let's rinse. Look at how intensely it shines. It's wonderful to see the results. You can get these results at home. Don't give up on your pots, please. Use this tip and your pots will be shining too. This other pot, which was very dirty, I cleaned with a drying cloth and observe how it shines. It's an easy tip. Everyone can do it because the ingredients are not expensive. You can buy aluminum cleaners at the supermarket, but they're expensive, can cause allergies, and don't offer the same results. Any old pot will look like new using this mixture with vinegar. Thanks to learning this secret, I was able to restore these pots and I won't have to discard them anymore. If you've made it this far, leave pot emojis so I know you've learned the secret too.